Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in Henderson and we are in the community of Landmark at Black Mountain Ranch by Lennar Homes. And for today's property tour, we'll be checking out floor plan Nora. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to know everything there is about new builds here in the Las Vegas and Henderson area, subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, you are the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Nora, and we are in the community of Landmark at Black Mountain Ranch by Lennar Homes in Henderson. This community is located off the 95 and Horizon on the southeast end of Las Vegas, so if you're not too familiar. And really quick, guys, before we get into details, let me keep you up to date with the community. So in this community, we're at Black Mountain Ranch. There's a total of 6 different communities. We're just gonna be checking out Landmark today, floor plan Nora, but just wanna let you know that there's plenty of options for you guys here. Just in this community, there's a total of 8 floor plans to view as model homes. And not just that, guys. There's a total of 24 different floor plans available. So if Nora is not for you, then one of the 23 that are left might be. Okay, so let's get started with Nora. So this one right here is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,704 square feet. It has a 2-car garage and starting base price is $578,990. Does not include your upgrades or your lot premiums. Upgrades for here, I would say 5 to 8%, guys, add to that base price, and lot premiums just depends on the lot you go with. But if you want specifics on prices on lots, don't hesitate to reach out. I have my contact info in the description below. Also, it is an HOA community. HOA here is only $59 a month. This is not gated. And just in the Landmark, guys, there's a total of 3 different floor plans. Also, with each floor plan, there's 3 different elevations to pick from, meaning 3 different looks on the front of the house. So now, let's get started and show you guys this bad boy. So we'll walk over here. So you got pavers in your driveway. There's your 2-car garage. And I'll tell you what, definitely I'm digging those stones. I really like it. Here's some info right here. Floor plan Nora Landmark. So now let's go right over here and show you the inside. Also, guys, we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make a move, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're 7 days, 90 days, 6 months, doesn't matter, guys. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'll be glad to help you make that smooth transition. So real quick, guys, I forgot to mention, the front landscaping you will get. What you won't get is gonna be the back landscaping. So just something to be aware of. So let's go inside. So as soon as you come in, living room, you see the staircase going to the second floor here to the right. Over here, off to the left, and towards the front of the house, you're gonna have a bedroom. Actually, let's just start over here and then we'll work our way around. So this is gonna be the first bedroom. So you got the window in the front. And you also do have a nice sized walk-in closet. Then here to the left, you do have a full bathroom. So a single vanity, a toilet, stand-up shower. Now over here, you have your living room. Also, another thing about Lennar, there's only a couple, so the only things you can upgrade is gonna be the flooring, your countertops, cabinet colors, and the backsplash. Everything else, guys, you see in today's video, it's gonna be standard with your home purchase. Then over here, you got the dining. And here off to the right, you also have a door that goes in and out to the backyard. So we won't be checking that out because they keep them locked, unfortunately. So I'm gonna do my best to actually show you through here. So you're gonna have the covered patio and just pavers underneath. Beyond that, guys, just know that's just gonna be dirt, guys. Landscaping won't be done with you. So when you purchase a new build, you would have to do the landscaping yourself. So I'm gonna do my best to show you guys from here. Unfortunately, they keep them locked for safety reasons, because these homes are self-toured. So that's why they do it. Then right over here, you have the kitchen. Look at all those cabinets. Definitely plenty of cabinets. You have the quartz countertop island, seats 3 people. You got your stainless steel undermount sink, microwave, stove, dishwasher right over here. In this model home, you do have that backsplash, just to give you an idea what it looks like if you were to upgrade. And you have like, I don't know if it's like off-white or really like gray cabinets. Really nice. And then right here, your pantry. Not the door to your 2-car garage, but it's locked, so we won't be checking that out. And this is gonna be a closet for you guys, but they're using it to store their stuff here at the builder. So here's this first floor, guys. I mean, what do you guys think so far? Let me know in the comments below. Is it something that works? You don't like it so far? Definitely love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's go upstairs. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Also, if there's anything in the world I can help you guys out with as I walk upstairs, guys, don't hesitate to give me a call or text. You know, I'm here to help you guys navigate through your home purchase if that's something you wish, to have representation if you're looking to purchase a new build. So if that is, just let me know, guys, because we have to come with you on that first visit, because if we don't, the builder's gonna not allow you to have representation. All right, so as soon as you come up here to the left, you have your nice size, oversized loft. I do like those windows up there, right there, pretty cool. Look at the size of this loft. I mean, let me just stand over here to show you guys. Really good size. And then right here, you do have a bedroom. You have a closet over here, walk in. Nice, nice. And right across, before we go across, let me show you guys some cabinet linen storage right here. Whatever you wish to store, guys. And the other bedroom right here, with the walk-in as well. Let me show you. Not your biggest, but it's a walk-in. Come in here, take a spin. Okay, let's go over here now. And right over here, you have your bathroom. Dual vanity, and over there you have your shower and your toilet. Ceramic tile flooring. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it so far, this floor plan. Let me know if you agree or disagree. It's okay to disagree, guys. I won't get mad. I promise. All right, so, okay, I thought I walked into the primary, but since it doesn't have doors, so you're gonna have the French doors for your primary right there. Before we go in there, let me show you right here. So here off to the left, you're gonna have your laundry room. Washer and dryer are not included, but it is an option to purchase with your new build, or like I always tell everybody, have your realtor negotiate those things for you. Those are the many benefits of having a realtor on your side, guys. There's stuff that you don't realize what we can negotiate. From lot premiums to certain upgrades to discount, closing costs, rate buy down. The list goes on, guys. And then right here, I mean, this is very interesting. This is like a huge linen closet. I mean, I don't know who is gonna need a linen closet this big, but hey, I might be wrong. Maybe there's somebody watching and saying like, duh, me. And I do apologize, guys. I sometimes speak for myself, guys, and myself. But there's things for everyone, I understand. Here is your primary bedroom. Really good size. I mean, look at, you got a king size bed. I mean, just those nightstand, guys, those are like 4 feet. just to give you an idea of how much space you have on each side. And the big bonus is gonna be this balcony. I mean, just imagine coming out here, relaxing, cup of coffee or your drink, your book, or just absorb some sun. This is really nice. I do wish, and this is just me speaking on me, it was covered, but it's not. But at least you have a balcony. So I guess we can't complain too much, guys. Then right over here, you got your primary bathroom. Look at this, guys. What do you guys think? For a primary bathroom, you guys like it, you don't, let me know. And right over here, you have your toilet. I'm actually standing here to give you guys a view. Sometimes it's hard to give you guys a nice view, but I always do my best, guys. So let me know if I'm doing a good job or if I'm not. Maybe sometimes I go fast, sometimes I go too slow. I hear it all, guys. There's some people tell me speed it up, some people saying slow it down. I try to be in between. Because I mean, I'm trying to show you guys these property tours. So there's people that watch them from different parts of the world, state, and you definitely, want to enjoy these property tours and know as much detail as you can. I know sometimes there's a lot more to this, guys, that I can't explain in a property tour. But if you have any questions, just reach out. I'm here to help, even if you're so far out or just have your own, I don't even know what I'm saying no more. This is actually the 7th property tour I've done. And I'll tell you what, I'm getting tired going up and down these stairs. So I do apologize. So this concludes this property tour, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this floor plan. Does it work? It doesn't. And that's completely okay. And if you have any questions, guys, I'll have my contact info in the description below. So don't hesitate to reach out, guys. If it's something that you're planning to do in a year or so, it doesn't matter time frame. Let's put a plan together for you guys. That way, when that time comes, you guys are prepared versus thinking you're prepared and come to find out there's roadblocks. So that's the last thing you want to do. So reach out to me. And if you guys enjoyed this property tour, guys, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.